Yes, yes. All eyes on me. Big brother is watching you, huh? Holy sh... Yep, we're inside the third-person template. I press Ctrl and space to open the content browser. Let's create a blueprint for the object that will follow us. Right-click, Blueprint Class, Actor. Name it and open it. We'll add the object that will follow our character. In the Components panel, I click Add and add a static mesh. In the Details panel under Static Mesh, I select my camera mesh. Right, I can't select it. I didn't import it into the project. Let me do that quickly. Okay, I add another static mesh. This will be the arm holding the camera. I add an arrow. It shows the world direction of this blueprint. I align my object's rotation and position to this arrow. In the Components panel, I drag the camera mesh under the arrow. This makes the camera mesh's transform follow the arrow. So wherever the arrow points, the camera will look there. Let's open the event graph. Delete all nodes except event tick. From event tick, call the set world rotation node. The target pin should be our arrow component. Because we attach the camera to the arrow, anything we do to it will affect the camera. From new rotation, I call find look at rotation. From start, I add get world location. The target pin should be the arrow. From the target pin, I add get actor location. The object will track the player character. For that, from the target pin, I call get player character. Every node has a target pin. Hope you didn't get confused. If you did, say so in the comments. Anyway, the camera should be able to watch us now. Hit compile and test. Drag the blueprint into the scene. Let's place it on this wall. Play. Yup, we are being watched. If I scale it up, we might see better. More unsettling. Let's enhance the feel. Give the camera some life. From new rotation, I call RInterp To. This node will make the camera rotate with a bit of delay. I connect the return value from find look at rotation to the target pin. From interp speed, I call get world delta seconds. From current, I call get world rotation. The target pin should be the arrow. I also enter a value for delta time. The lower the value, the more delay. And that's it. Let's check it. Yep, it lags too much. Let's increase the value a bit. Better.
What are you staring at?
I have a boyfriend.
Quick recap of what we did. We got the object's world location and had it checked every frame. Yes, that's its world rotation. So what's the new rotation? We set that via the new rotation pin. We set the start point to the object itself and the target point to our character. Then we added a bit of delay. That's all. Now let's see it with a lot of cameras. I'll set up a scene and come right back. Yeah, I felt less Chinese in a Chinese restaurant. Imagine being stuck in a room like this. Or imagine instead of cameras, it's...
Aren't you going to subscribe? Then you'd better run.